How to add tags in Asana. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can add tags in Asana. So let's get into it. So first things first, what you want to do is when you come over here and open up a project, what you want to do is just simply right click on a task and click on view details, or you can just simply click on a task and it'll open up the detail tab over here. Then what you want to do is just simply click on the three dots over here or more, and then you will have the add tags option right here. Over here you have add tags. As you can see, currently there are no tags found, so just simply type in whatever you want. It can be urgent, priority medium, priority high, priority low. It can be anything. So for now we'll just say it's urgent. We'll add urgent and create tag for urgent. We'll click over here and we'll click on urgent, and now we'll just go with the red button right here. There you go. As you can see, it is now urgent. We have added it right here. And there we go. We have now created a tag. We can also create tags for other projects as well. Again, you can also create a tag by just hitting the tab plus TI button on your keyboard. It'll open up right here. So you can see you will have recently added tags right here to quickly add them. And you can add tags to organize your workflow. So you can add like categories for different tags. So you are good to go. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you create tags for Asana. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.